In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome always on top problem. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where Chrome remains stubbornly layered above all other applications and disrupts your workflow, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few simple steps that should resolve this issue efficiently. First things first, you'll need to close all the open Chrome windows. Make sure you've saved any important work, like documents or forms, as closing the browser will also close all your tabs. You don't want to lose anything essential, so take a moment to ensure everything is saved. Once you're set, go ahead and close all the Chrome windows currently running on your computer. Next, let's move on to bringing up the Task Manager. It's an incredibly useful tool that helps manage all running processes on your computer. To open it, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S keys together. This should instantly open the Task Manager window, saving you the hassle of searching through menus. Within the Task Manager, you will see a long list of all the programs and processes that are currently running on your machine. What you're looking for here are the processes labeled Google Chrome. This list includes multiple entries under the name Google Chrome, as Chrome often runs several processes simultaneously. You will need to identify each of these processes to make sure the browser is completely closed. Once you've identified all the Chrome-related processes, right-click on each one. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options. From these options, you should select End Task. It's important to end every single Google Chrome process listed to be sure everything is fully closed. This ensures that when you reopen Chrome in a moment, it starts fresh and without the prior always-on-top glitch. Now that we've ended all the processes, it's time to reopen Google Chrome. Simply find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu and double-click to start it up again. This clean restart should resolve the issue, and Chrome should no longer be stuck on top of your other applications. If the issue persists, even after following these steps, it might be worth restarting your computer entirely or checking for any available updates for Chrome itself. Updates often contain fixes for bugs like these, so keeping your browser up to date can prevent similar issues in the future. And there you have it, a few quick and simple steps to help you get Chrome back to normal. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like the video if it solved your problem or leave a comment if you have further questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.